Hello everybody, this is Office of Diversity and Inclusion. We're going to give you a little tutorial on how to work from your phone. Primarily we're going to focus on sort of Word docs. So we're going to go over Pulse, Google Drive, and Google Docs. These three are very important for working from your phone. So first off, Pulse. This is the image for Pulse. It's sort of the mobile equivalent for D2L for like quick checks. So if you open up Pulse, you can see your whole class list, and it looks very much like your normal online screen, and you can click on the upcoming and it'll pull up the full calendar. You can click on each day and it'll tell you what is due that day. And then if you go to the other side, there's notifications. So that shows you everything that you have subscribed to on the first one, updates. So anything you're getting a notification from, grade, details, content updated, all those are on there. For showing a grade, once a grade is put in, you'll have this little thing you can reveal and it'll show your grade right up top. You can click View Grade and it'll go over to a browser, and if you look at a news article that's been posted, like this one here, Attention Class will be replaced with Bungee Jumping Lessons, it'll have it all listed there, and once again if you click the bottom it will open you straight up to a browser. And then if you click on the other one, Subscriptions, up at the top, it shows everything that you have subscribed to, all of the discussion boards, so any discussion posts that you have made, you can follow along and make sure you are staying up to date on all of those. Then also you can click on each course individually, and when doing that it pulls up everything that is within the content tab on a browser version of D2L. So up next we're going to be looking at Google Docs. So with Google Docs you click the little plus, click New Document, and you open up a full new document. You can type whatever you would like into here, so it'll be just like doing a Word doc. So we're going to do homework from your phone tutorial. If you click the little check mark up top, it will save it, and you can click where it says untitled document and you can change the title of it to whatever your paper is titled, and you can click the little A with the lines next to it. You can adjust all of the content to where you can maybe make it MLA format, APA format, whatever you need. You can click the plus and you can insert images, page breaks, links, whatever you need for your paper. You can add bullet points, you can indent, you can unindent, etc. Everything you do on a Word doc you can do in a Google Doc. Just click the little plus button to make sure it's all saved. Next, you want to make sure you have it saved as a Word doc, which is .docx style. So click the little three dots and click Save as Word. This is just so you can download it as a Word doc, so you can submit it as a Word doc rather than submitting it as a PDF. So now we're going to look at how to submit things with an Android phone or an Android platformed phone. You go over into Google Drive and it has your homework from home tutorial all there. You click on the three dots and click download. This will save it in your phone's downloads folder. You'll see the up top in the notification bar the download progress. So if you go over to D2L, you can click add a file, click my computer, upload, files. This will pull up your most recent one. You can just click the little three lines up top and it'll pull up all possible places where you can pull a file from for this. So you just click on downloads because that's where you put it, and you click on your document. Then you can just click add and submit as if you're submitting online. Next, we're going to show with an Apple phone. So with an Apple phone, you can open up Google Drive, click on your Word doc one, click the three dots, scroll down till you see Open With, click that, and then scroll down and click on Save to Files. Click on iCloud Drive, click Save, then go over to D2L, click Add a File, click My Computer, click on Browse, swipe over, click on iCloud Drive, then click on your document, and then you can click Add and Submit just like on a browser. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please send them to us on UCO ODI or odi@uco.edu.